Alright, I don't think I can sit. Can I sit here?
Yeah.
Tank looks pretty standard. I can't get that good of a view because the shelf is in the way. There's a Faraday. That flapper looks interesting, but I can't get a close look at it. I can't really record this that well. I'll do my best. Is it coming out of the valve at all? Is any water going into the tank?
I'm not sure.
Wait, if I stop this, will it stop making the noise? After it stops. Sounds like there's a leak. I think it might be the flapper actually, because it doesn't look full. Is it falling into the tank at all?
I saw it pouring into the tank.
This is a very unique toilet. Looks European.
Yes.
And that macerator, that kind of thing, that's a European thing too. I guess, I don't know if this might have been an import toilet. Okay, I think it's right now. This is a very cool toilet. This is a very cool toilet, isn't it?
Yeah.
23 June 2000. 2000 brainless. Okay, let me do something. I want to look at the bottom of the lid and see if... I don't know what brand this is. I see it name, but that's about it. 03 Mayo. M-A-Y-O. I guess that's made in a different language. I may look that up. 0074. Looks like there used to be a name there, but looks like there used to be a sticker there, but it's gone. It is still filling. Once it starts filling, I doubt anyone gets much sleep here. I bet this toilet wakes everyone up.
Yep.
I bet this toilet wakes people up, so... Once it starts going slow, then I know it's full. This fluid master and that flapper, I think both need to be replaced. Because even when the fluid master is shut off, it still does not leak. This doesn't shut off the way, and this flapper leaks. So they probably haven't changed the parts. And now it's done filling. It's just not going to shut off. And the lights blink it uses power, I can see, because it uses power, I can tell, because the lights blink every time it goes on. Very unique find. That sticker, there's a sticker down there, but it's just about, compliance. Not yet, okay.